You may have noticed that over the past several years, Internet of Things or IoT devices are connecting everything from thermostats to cars. There are already over 8 billion IoTs in use today, growing to 50 billion in the next 3 years. By 2020, IoTs will impact 6% of the global economy. You may have also watched the explosive growth of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and wonder what practical application can they serve. How are these technologies going to address real business challenges of the digital economy? Despite their potential and advances, neither IoT nor cryptocurrency are currently business-ready. Why? The number one inhibitor cited by CIOs is security. IoTs are purpose-built, imagination-driven hardware and software that enable entirely new markets and industries. They can range from a $5 sensor to multi-million-dollar mining machines. In most cases, though, IoTs have just enough resources to satisfy the purpose they serve and no more. Their small size and low cost lets them be embedded into, well, anything and everything, making them highly distributed and mobile. And with recent advances, IoTs have expanded technology lifespans up to 20 years. So, what problems do IoTs solve? IoTs fundamentally change the way businesses execute their key processes. There has been an explosion of devices that listen and act without human intervention. Entire processes are being rewritten to bring efficiencies to diverse markets such as medical, transportation, utilities, manufacturing, and smart buildings. And billions of these devices are being placed into service right now. IoTs are perfect for an emerging business model called microtransactions. Microtransactions provide for more efficient use and consumption and are applicable to everything from global supply chains to a vending machine purchase. Think of microtransactions as per sip rather than per bottle consumption. But there was something missing for IoTs to securely use microtransactions. Enter cryptocurrencies. Crypto technologies, to be more precise. Crypto technologies use special algorithms to validate electronic transactions. You may have heard of Bitcoin or Ethereum, a form of crypto called blockchain. However, there are many flavors of crypto that don't use blockchain. Each type of crypto has advantages for different use cases or industries. Everyone knows that crypto can function as a denomination or cryptocurrency, but that's just scratching the surface. It can also be used for crypto transactions, a denomination-independent financial transaction, much like a credit card. Crypto can also be used for crypto validation, a non-financial validation of data exchanged between two or more systems. For example, crypto validation can be used to remotely open your door to let in a delivery person. The door lock is an IoT, and crypto validates the unlock request was from you and not forged or manipulated by an intruder. Microtransactions have set IoTs on track to be the largest consumers of crypto technologies. While crypto technologies are secure from manipulation and fraud during a transaction, the endpoints remain unprotected, leaving the entire platform vulnerable. Security is the challenge to overcome for IoT, crypto, and microtransactions to achieve widespread use. In production, IoTs and crypto technologies don't function autonomously. They are codependent on remote and often third-party components and systems. Even though networks, IoTs, applications, and operators are codependent, they may be owned and managed by altogether different organizations. Besides protection from the Internet, each of these components also need to be protected from one another. One of the largest attacks to date was waged using unprotected distributed IoTs. Because of their scattered and mobile nature, as well as their codependencies, traditional security technologies just can't support this new model. This is where Acreto comes in. Acreto's patent-pending ecosystem technology protects crypto-based platforms under a single umbrella. This includes distributed and resource-challenged IoTs and the applications they are dependent on. Acreto's platform is IoT scalable, designed to protect billions of transactions rather than a handful of customers. And through innovation, we've eliminated complex implementation and burdensome logistics, all the while reducing cost. Acreto enables any size organization to securely build out and scale out their IoT and crypto generation platforms. With the recent IoT and crypto boom, the market is ripe for the explosion of microtransactions. Acreto Security, addressing the last remaining challenge for this market to achieve its full potential today. Acreto, Business X.0, simply secured.